In this lesson, we are going to make our program interactive. So far, our programs have only printed information. Now we will allow the user to type something into the terminal. This means our program can respond to what the user enters. We will use a Rust library of code from the standard library called I/O or input-output. This allows us to read input from the keyboard. The general pattern is that we create an empty string to store the input the program receives. Then we read a line from the user into that string, use the value in our program. First, we import the library using the Rust keyword use, followed by the code we wish to import. Now we write our main function as usual. Let's imagine we are creating a game. First, we want to ask the player for their name. We create an empty string to store the user's input. Now we read a line from the terminal. The input is stored inside the name variable. This line reads what the user types and stores it in name. The part ~moot name passes a reference to name, which points to where it is stored in memory. The method readLine returns a result, OK on success, on failure. Next, expect stops the program with a message if reading input fails. Method readLine includes a new line character in the input when the user presses Enter. So we use the method trim to remove this extra white space. This method exists as part of our string, so we can call it directly on our variable called name. The trim method removes extra white space such as spaces and new line characters and returns a clean version of the text. Now we can use the cleaned name in our program. We can build on this initial message to make the program feel more alive. Reading input allows our programs to become interactive. Instead of always doing the same thing, the program can now react to the user. Try running the program again using cargo run and enter a different name each time to see how the output changes.